Want to receive Ethereum Classic ETC on Robinhood? It's straightforward. Robinhood supports ETC deposits for US users. This video guides you through the process, highlighting crucial details to avoid common mistakes. Remember, always double-check the network. First, ensure your Robinhood account has crypto enabled, which requires identity verification. To enable crypto on Robinhood, you need to complete identity verification. This is a standard security step to comply with regulations. Next, in the Robinhood app, navigate to the Crypto tab located at the bottom of the screen. Once in the Crypto tab, scroll through the available cryptocurrencies and select Ethereum Classic, or ETC. Then, choose the deposit option. Robinhood will generate a unique deposit address specifically for your account. This address is essential for safely receiving Ethereum Classic. This is critical. ETC deposits must be sent via the Ethereum Classic ETC network. Do not use the Ethereum ETH network. They are distinct blockchains. Sending ETC to an ETH address or vice versa can result in permanent loss of your funds. Always verify the network. Ethereum Classic and Ethereum are two different blockchains that forked in 2016. ETC maintains the original proof-of-work consensus, while ETH moved to proof-of-stake. They have separate networks and cannot exchange tokens directly. Here's a comparison showing key differences. ETC was announced in July 2016, uses ticker ETC, and emphasizes immutability and censorship resistance. ETH, launched earlier, uses ticker ETH and focuses on scalability with proof-of-stake. The most important thing to remember: sending ETC to an ETH network or address will result in permanent loss. Always double-check the network selection in your sending wallet. If transferring ETC from an external wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase, first confirm that the sending platform supports the ETC network. For MetaMask, check the network section to ensure Ethereum Classic is available. Select the ETC network within the sending platform's interface before proceeding. For Coinbase, ensure the transfer is set to Ethereum Classic network. Double-check the recipient address and the network before initiating the transfer. Use tools like Block Scout to verify the transaction after sending. Deposits to Robinhood are typically instant once confirmed on the Ethereum Classic network, usually within 1 to 5 minutes. The ETC network has stable performance with average block times around 13 seconds and very low gas fees under $1. Robinhood may advise a minimum deposit amount, such as 0.1 ETC, to ensure the transaction covers potential fees and processes correctly. Be cautious of dust transactions, which involve sending amounts that result in leftovers too small to send again due to gas fees. These might not process correctly on the ETC network. One of the biggest mistakes when transferring Ethereum Classic is sending ETC over the Ethereum network instead of the dedicated ETC network. These wrong network sends have caused significant losses across the crypto space, with industry reports showing over $1.2 billion in total losses from 2024 to 2025, with ETC accounting for about 2% of those incidents. Always double-check both the deposit address and the network selection before confirming any transaction. Sending ETC to an Ethereum address will result in permanent loss of funds, since the two networks are completely separate and incompatible. To help prevent these costly errors, Robinhood implemented in-app warnings in 2025 that alert users when they're about to send crypto to the wrong network or address. These warnings have helped reduce user errors significantly. Currently, Robinhood doesn't support direct ETC withdrawals. You can only convert ETC to cash or other supported cryptocurrencies. This limitation exists for regulatory compliance and security reasons. Robinhood uses custodial wallets managed by partners like Coinbase Custody, employing multi-signature wallets and cold storage for security. Multi-signature wallets require multiple approvals for transactions, adding an extra layer of protection. However, address accuracy remains your responsibility. Always double-check addresses and networks to avoid permanent loss of funds. To recap, receiving ETC on Robinhood is straightforward when you focus on the network and address details. Always verify these elements carefully to prevent any loss of funds. Keep yourself informed about Robinhood's current policies and potential updates. Happy investing!